Two identical charged spheres suspended from a common point by two massless strings of length L are initially at a distance d, which is much smaller than L, apart because of their mutual repulsion. The charges begin to leak from both spheres at a constant rate. As a result, the spheres approach each other with a velocity v. Then v varies as a function of distance between the spheres, as which of the following proportional relations. So we have this length is L, and at any point of time this horizontal distance is x by 2 and this vertical distance is almost equal to L. Why is that? Since L is much greater than d and d can only reduce with time because the charges are approaching each other, then x is always much smaller than L, and therefore the square root of L square minus x by 2 whole square will always be almost equal to L. Now, the forces acting on the sphere are the tension force in the string, and we have the force of gravity and the force of electrostatic repulsion. The force of gravity has a magnitude mg constant, and the force of electrostatic repulsion has a magnitude kq square by x square, where q is a time dependent charge on the spheres, which would be equal at any time. X also varies with time here. So now we have the vertical force applied by the string would be proportional to L, and the horizontal force applied to the string would be proportional to x by 2. And this ratio is simply mg divided by kq square by x square. Therefore, we get the relation that q square is proportional to x cube, because all other quantities in this equation are constant, or q is proportional to x to the power 3 by 2. Since we have established that these relations hold for all time, the derivatives would also be proportional. Therefore, dq by dt is proportional to the rate of change of x to the power 3 by 2 with respect to time. Therefore, the rate of change of x power 3 by 2 with respect to time is a constant. So we have x to the power 1 by 2 dx by dt is equal to constant, or dx by dt can be written as v is equal to k into x to the power minus 1 by 2, or v is proportional to x to the power minus 1 by 2, and hence option C is the answer.